Scott from SJC Renewables. The biggest win in the last month is finally landed our first solar job since getting MCS accreditation, £18,500 job. Yeah, so when we started with Trade Mastermind, everyone was a bit mishmash, to be honest, not much organisation. They've helped massively with the financial structure of the company and where to get leads going forward. So we're in a much better position now than we were back 3-4 months ago. The skills we've got from Trade Mastermind, to be honest with you, probably 90% of the things that we've learned is stuff that I've never even thought about before. Pricing structures changed completely. The way we go about everyday business, to be honest, and how we structure everything, it's been a massive help. To be honest, we're looking to get out of it in the long term, a bit more time back, also a bit more profitability, and hopefully expand into different businesses going forward. Yeah, I'd recommend Trade Mastermind to anyone that's struggling in business, to be honest. It just gives you a massive push in the right direction. It's a great community, and there's always people available to help if you need it.